Is wealth a matter of luck, or is it something more profound, an inherent part of our very DNA? Welcome to an exploration of the concept of the wealth DNA code. Imagine if there were a secret blueprint, a string of genetic code that could predispose you to wealth. This is not science fiction, but the idea behind the wealth DNA code. It's not about literal genes, but rather the habits, mindset, and principles that can make a person wealthy. The wealth DNA code is a metaphorical concept, a set of financial behaviors and attitudes that are deeply ingrained, much like our DNA. It's a belief that wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about how one thinks about money, how one uses it, and how one grows it. Think about the wealthiest people you know or have heard of. They have certain traits in common, don't they? They are not just hard workers, but smart workers. They take calculated risks. They invest wisely. They are not afraid of failures. These are all parts of the wealth DNA code. One of the key points about the wealth DNA code is that it is not something you are born with. It's something you can learn, develop, and nurture over time. It's about learning the right financial habits, developing a wealth mindset, and nurturing your financial intelligence. Another important point is that the wealth DNA code is not about quick riches. It's about sustainable wealth. It's about understanding that wealth is not just about financial abundance, but also about a rich life in terms of relationships, experiences, and personal growth. And lastly, the wealth DNA code is about resilience. It's about the ability to bounce back from financial setbacks, to learn from financial mistakes, and to use these experiences to grow your wealth and financial intelligence. So, it's not about having a magic gene that makes you rich. It's about developing a set of behaviors, attitudes, and principles that can lead you to wealth. It's about realizing that wealth is not just about money, but about a rich life in all aspects. And it's about being resilient, being able to bounce back from setbacks and grow from them. That is the essence of the wealth DNA code. In essence, the wealth DNA code is a roadmap to wealth. It's a guide to developing the right mindset, habits, and principles that can lead to financial abundance and a rich life. It's not a magic pill, but a journey. A journey that can lead to wealth, not just in terms of money, but in terms of a rich, fulfilling life. The wealth DNA code is not a secret, but a way of life. It's not about luck, but about hard work, smart decisions, resilience, and a wealth mindset. And the best part? Anyone can learn it, anyone can develop it, and anyone can benefit from it. So the next time you think about wealth, think about the wealth DNA code. It's not just about money, but about a lifestyle of smart decisions, resilience, and a wealth mindset. A lifestyle that can lead to not just financial abundance, but a rich, fulfilling life.